Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace this and how you remove this on your S550. This is the 2010 S550. So on this we got to remove this. First we've removed the door panel from the car, and there is how-to on that. So we remove the door panel from the car, and there's two screws we got to get to from the front side here, and they are T20s. And they're right up inside here. So we've removed the two that are on the front here. Now we got to flip it over, and there's three on the back. There's two right here. These two, you have to cut this out a little bit. Just take a little razor blade and just trim it back. And then there's one more right here. So with all five screws removed, three on the back, two on the front, what you can do is you just prop the front up and pull it out to the front side. Then we're going to undo this electrical connector by pushing the tab and pulling out. And that's how you get this whole unit away and out. And then you got to take this out of the handle here to be able to replace the rest of it. So you got another 5 screws here. Right? So you got 5 screws, 2 here, 1 there to remove. And then you can pull this out. So then you just pull this out, and when you buy your new one, because you need to replace this unit, you just take this, you buy your new one, you take it and just put it all back in the same reverse order. Not the same order, but in the reverse order. Just put it all back in there, tighten up the 4 screws, and then put the screws back in the door panel. So those 5 screws are put back in, and we're going to just go ahead and hook that electric back up. Alright, it's all hooked up. Now it's a ribbon type electric, so you want to be pretty careful with not stretching it out. And if you stretch too much, you can break the electrical connectors inside there. So that's in there. Now let's go ahead and put the screws in the back. Right, those 3 screws are all put in. And we got the 2 to put in from the front here. So that's how you replace your window and mirror adjustment switch on your S550 from Mercedes-Benz or the S-Class. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.